Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to install a mod that, in my opinion, if you do any kind of racing at all, whether that be on the street or at the track, every fourth gen should have it, and that's a manual fan switch. This one's by Casper Electronics. Now, where I'm Canadian, it was a little pricey for me. It was after duty and shipping and taxes and everything, it was $136. But if you live in the US, it's $63 plus whatever your sales tax is. But I'm pretty sure it's free shipping if you live in the US, so that's not too bad of a deal. And it saves you from making a mistake. I was going to do a manual fan switch, and there's more than one way you can do it, but I just decided I'd rather not go hacking any wires and whatnot. And plus, even if I did it right, if somebody watched the video and they happen to do theirs wrong and damage their car, that wouldn't be good for the channel. So I thought it'd be better. And this here has been around they've been making this for quite a few years, so it's been proven not to cause any issues and not set a check engine light or anything like that. But this is definitely a must-have if you do any drag racing, in my opinion, especially with the 4th gen, and even more so if you have the 93 to 97 LT1 powered Camaros. They're very sensitive to temperature. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna do the install. I'm going to make a video of the install, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay guys, so to install this, I pulled the computer up out of here so that I can feed the switch wire down through this grommet right here into the car. And then you got 3 connectors right here, and it says to hook it to the black 10. So anyway, there's only 2 black ones here, and this one here is the one that's actually got 9, but it's got 10 pins, but there's only 9 wires. It goes in this one. This one's fastened to the body, so you gotta pull it out, pull this pin, and I think you can see what I'm doing here. You pull these 2 apart, and then your module goes in between. So it connects to this one. I'll go upside down. Connects into this one. And then the original, where it goes in this way. So basically it goes in line of the original, and you can place a little pin here. And then it has to be grounded. Now it's supposed to be grounded to this, but I couldn't get this off. All it does is turn, and I can't get a wrench to capture the bottom one. There's not enough room to get a wrench in there. So I just I grounded mine over here. Then, like I said, the thing with the switch, I put it through that little grommet, and then it comes up here and plugs into this. First, so I'm not sure the hood will close the way it is right now. I'm gonna feed it under here. Try and help hold it down. I don't know, there still might not be enough room right there. But I'll try it. And I'm gonna put my computer back down in. I need both hands, so I won't be able to show that. And anyway, you can see where I run the wire down through that grommet. It goes inside the car. Hey guys, so I got the ECM back in, and I push these down in here. The hood closes no problem, and So you can see the wire right here that goes down inside the car. Okay, so I'm going to go inside and find a place for that switch. Okay, you can see where the wire come in. I'm just going to run it right across. And I was going to install the switch here, but seeing that I ain't going to use it much, I think I'm going to put it right in the cigarette tray. Just put it in there because I won't be using it often. I'll just put it right through because I really don't want the silver switch inside my car. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to put it, is inside the cigarette lighter or the cigarette ashtray. Okay guys, so I got the wire and all run up in here, and then it goes in through here and comes up into the cigarette lighter where I've got the switch. And something I didn't know is this, you don't even have to have I thought you had to have the ignition on to turn it on, but you don't. So I think putting it in the cigarette lighter is a better spot. That way I don't accidentally leave it on, and I only use it when running the quarter mile. But it actually runs. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the fans or not. I'll put the camera out here. Even with the ignition off. Yeah, I don't know if you could hear that on the camera or not, but you don't even need the keys in the ignition to turn the fans on. So like I said, putting it in the cigarette lighter is a better spot, I think. That way you don't leave it on accidentally. Anyway, guys, shout out to Casper Electronics. I think that's the name. Yeah, shout out to Casper's Electronics. I'll put a link to the website on in the video. And another thing, a good thing about it, when I ordered it, they sent it out the same day I ordered it, and it only took a week to get here to Canada. So that's pretty good. And like I said, if you live in the US, you get free shipping, and you don't have to deal with duty, and we got pretty high taxes here too, and high shipping costs. Anything from the US usually costs quite a bit to ship. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.